Hello, this is Justin over at ROA Off-Road in Mesa, Arizona. Today we're going to take a look at our new Ibex line of campers made by Forest River. Very nice campers, and we're going to be looking at the 20 MKB today. So starting off in the front here, you're going to have two 20-pound tanks here, electric tongue jack here. You even got a little outside little bottle opener and a leash holder for your dog. So 4 stabilizers around it. Got a nice awning up there. Pretty big pass through here. Open this up. Nice big pass through. This unit comes with a grill, or griddle I should say, that's attached on the side here with a couple of brackets. Your LP quick connect is right underneath there. So you're going to have Curt independent suspension there. Very nice suspension. You're going to have your outdoor hot and cold here. Go around. Here's a on-demand tankless water heater here. And then this is also prepped for the ladder, prepped for a rear backup camera. Store your sewer hose inside of the bumper there. This is kind of a list of features on this unit. So the Black Canyon Beast Mode package, which is optional, this unit does have. So it gives you that Beast Mode independent suspension, 400 watts of solar, fresh water filter. You got your Max Air roof vent covers, so you can have those open when you're driving, when it's raining. Gonna be okay there, venting that. So we'll go on in the inside here. Inside you have the wireless and the plugs that come up out of the cabinets here. You got a nice pantry in there. It has a vacuum as well, so you can keep your interior nice and clean. Bathroom here, pretty spacious bathroom. Has nice shower. Nice door on this thing too. Door slides and locks closed. Really like this. I think I like this a lot better than the shower curtain. And then if you look here, when you open your medicine cabinet, the little touches, there's toothbrush holders built right into the bottom of your medicine cabinet. So come out here on the inside, we got the nice 3-burner stove with the cast iron grates on the top here. You got a nice microwave convection oven up here. Sink there with the attachment there to be able to rinse your glasses off and wash them easily there. This board here, cutting board, comes off. It's right there on your sink, so you can use that. Got your cabinetry, TV up there. Nice little bar area there with 2 chairs. And then over here you got reclining sofa. You got these nice removable trays here to eat on. So if you don't want them there, you can take them off. Has a big refrigerator here. So nice big freezer. Big fridge as well in there. And then the ducted AC. So you got the ducts throughout. And back here in the bedroom area, got the nice big bed, nice big wardrobes on both sides. Store your clothes in. The doors here, so you can close these doors and latch them together and basically close that area off from the rest of the camper. So very nice unit. Have it here in stock in Mesa. So if you want to come down and take a look, come on over. We'd love to see you. Thanks.